Welcome back to Live from the Camper, House Edition. My name's Tony, and today I'm going to show you how to make an easy, delicious bread pudding. And I'm going to be using cinnamon raisin bread because that makes it taste even better. Well, I got one question for you. Do you have a sweet tooth? Good, let's knock it out. Let's get started. Let's start off by breaking up 8 pieces of bread into about a 1-inch piece. Did you get all that? Well, if you didn't, I'll have it all down in the description box below, along with a link to our Facebook group page, the Ninja Foodi Instapot Universe. Come on over and check it out where we share all of our ideas and pictures and such. All right? So go ahead and preheat this at 325 for 5 minutes. We're gonna let that keep soaking. And while we're waiting, go ahead and hit some Pam into your little casserole dish or whatever little pan you're gonna use. I'm using a little 7-inch Pyrex. You use whatever you can fit into the thing. That's all I got. I tried the springform pan, the 8-inch, which would have been perfect, but the custard ran through out of the bottom of it. So if you have a solid little 8-inch dish, use that. Otherwise, I'm using this, okay? While you're waiting for your Ninja Foodi to preheat, go ahead and melt 2 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna drizzle that over the top. Let's give this another little stir here. Let's put it in the dish. Now I'm not going to put all the custard in there because this recipe is for an 8-inch pan. This is a 7-inch. So I'm just going to get the rest of the bread out. Made this last night. Turns out perfect this way. You can cut back on all that, but I decided to make the recipe in full. You always want to leave a little room at the top because this thing is going to puff up. Go ahead and drizzle that butter over the top. Now that it's preheated, make sure you have your trivet thingy on the low position inside of there and carefully put this in here. It's kind of like the game operation. Don't touch the sides, except it's not going to buzz, it's going to burn. All right? We're going to bake at 325 for 30 minutes, but check it after 20 minutes, so with 10 minutes left, just to make sure. Stick a knife into it. If it comes out clean, you're ready to eat. All right. As you can see, we have about 10 minutes left, so let's go ahead and check it. Ooh, look at that. This smells like a bakery up in here. That's pretty clean. It's just the butter remnants on my knife. I'm gonna go about 5 more minutes. I can just stand back here where the little fan is and smell that all day long. Ooh, that smells good. All right. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. That looks amazing. All right, let's move this over. Let's plate it up. Go ahead and throw a towel down so you don't damage the surface of your table, because it's gonna be hot. Doesn't that look amazing? Wow. If it tastes anything like it smells, oh, it's on. All right, while we're letting that cool, get 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of milk. But only pour half in there at a time. We're gonna make up a little icing for the top of this thing. So I ended up using 1 tablespoon of milk and 1/2 cup of powdered sugar to get the consistency that I wanted. That's the consistency you want right there. I guess wearing black and working with powdered sugar wasn't a good idea. But it's all right. All right. Let's hit it with a little powdered sugar on the plate. Put a little of that icing on it. Let's give it a try. You kidding me? That is freaking amazing. That is so good. The cinnamon, the raisins, the custard, powdered sugar, the icing. Wow. If you need to make a quick dessert and you want something that's gonna knock people's socks off, you gotta make the easy bread pudding. Man, that is good. Is there anything this guy can't do? Well, I guess it doesn't clean itself, but everything else, man, I love my Ninja Foodi. Well, I got one question for you. Are you hungry? Or have a sweet tooth? Good. Let's eat.